So in this tutorial we are going to make this model. So from the part navigator we can see we have used the extrude commands to make this model. We have the drawing here, the dimension of this model. So here we have to first select this extrude and I select this top plane. Then we have to make this circular part, this part first, and we have the dimension 22 and 32. So I select circle here, dia is 22, another circle, dia is 32, and escape and finish. So this extrude value, total value is 60. So we want to make it symmetric. So to make it symmetric, I take minus 30 and plus 30 and OK. Now we have to make this part here. So this part is at some offset distance and we see we have created a datum plane here. I select datum plane and I select this bottom surface as a reference, and the distance I take 10 and reverse the direction, we need it upward. Then we can also drag its dimension to show it properly like this, just datum plane and OK. And on this plane we have to make the sketch. So I select extrude and select this plane. So here we have to make this part. First I take a line, select a line. On the left word I take, that is should be a horizontal line, just like this. Okay, this plane we are given right click, I can hide this plane to have a better view. Then I take this as a reference line. Then I take a rectangle, I take center rectangle from its center. So this width we have is 60, I select 60, height is 40 and angle is 90 and enter. So we see the rectangle here. So we have to properly orient it like this and click here. So it creates the rectangle. Okay, we have to do it again, 60 and 40. Okay, now this rectangle is ready. Next we have next dimension for this. First I select this reference line now and I can delete this. Okay, then we need this dimension here. The dimension we are given, we need this dimension, so I can select rapid from this point to this center. Okay, I select it infer from this point to this point here. So that is our value is 88. So I select rapid dimension from this point to this center, and this value is 88 and close. Now we have to make a profile, close profile from here. Okay, I can hide this. So first I select project curves and project this circle and OK. Then I select line and I draw a tangent line of the circle. Okay, here, then from this end also here the tangent line. Then trim the extra portions, this outer line and this inner, and close, finish. So this extrude value is 10, so I from 0 to distance is 10, and OK. Next we have to make this back part here. I select extrude, this top surface is a reference, then I draw a rectangle, this time a corner rectangle from this corner to this corner here, and this value is 10, okay, and this height is 60, and select finish. Then this extrude value, okay, first we have to properly select its direction. This is going upward, we need it to be downward, and this value, extrude value is 30, and enter and OK. And then we have to make this cut here. So to make this cut, once again I select extrude and select this surface. Here I draw a rectangle. The dimension are 16 and height is 3. Enter and place it. Okay. Then I select rapid dimension from this endpoint to this point. This distance is 15. So I can drag these dimensions here to have a clear view, like this. Then I can finish it. So this extrude is going outward. I select it on this direction. Then we have to remove the material. So end condition I take until next. So we see it will take up next surface. Then in Boolean I select subtract, and then the select body, I select this body here. It is automatically selected and OK. So this way it has removed the material. Then we have to make the holes on the surface. I select extrude and select the surface. So first we need a line here, a midpoint on this midpoint. So this is the midpoint to here, this midpoint, and I need to be at a reference line. Then I draw circle from, take any center. This dia is 10. We have to draw 3 circles because we need 3 holes. Then we have to place their dimensions here. This value is 10, and also from this edge this value is 10. Then distance between these circles, this circle and this circle, is 20. Okay, it is automatically 20. Then I finish sketch. Then this arrow is going upward, I need to take downward. Then subtract and select the body. This is the body and OK. Similarly we can create holes on this portion also. Here we have hole in this portion also. So I select extrude, this surface, Then we need a line here. I draw from a line from this point here. Okay, so this line should be a horizontal. I select constraint, then I select horizontal and select this line, close, and dimension it from this line to this line. The distance we have is 10. Now this is a reference line, so right click reference. Then I select circle of dia 10, or also here. Then this dimension is 15. Similarly, from this edge the dimension is 15. Close, finish sketch. So reverse the arrow direction, subtract, select the body, so this is the body, and OK. So this way we have created our model number 5.